So this is how I start most of my mornings, replying to as many emails as I possibly can, answering CNC questions. Uh, I'm filming this on my phone, so if it looks a little different or sounds a little different, that is why. Fun fact, I recorded the first 30 videos on this YouTube channel on a phone just like this. I got a new phone since then, but so it's really easy to get in the groove and just keep pumping out videos over and over again, videos that I think that you will like. And it's really easy with that to forget about the community that we've built here. So I wanted to give a community update. Now, it's really weird because I have communities all over. I have a community here, I have a community on Instagram, I have a community over on Discord. Each one of those is a little different. So it's really easy to think that I'm serving my community as a greater whole. But the reality is that you, as the viewer, aren't in all those places. So I'm going to try to do a better job to serve this YouTube community, not in just produced videos, but in ways like this, where I come to you raw. Every video I make is designed to address one of 4 pain points I see. The first one is, okay, CNC is interesting. Make cool things, I can make money with it, that's really cool. What machine do I need? It's the first pain point. The second one is, okay, how do I run this machine? How do I operate this machine? The third one is, okay, I learned and I made the things that I wanted to make, the things that I was excited about. But now my CNC has been sitting there for a couple months and I don't know what to make. So that's the third one, design ideas, inspiration. So the thing I would like to know from you is, which one of those are you at? Are you at buying a machine, learning how to operate the machine, kind of bored or stuck with not knowing what to make? Or you've done all those and you want the hobby to pay for itself, you want to make money with CNC. I want this to be a two-way conversation. So which one of those 4 are you at?